Open the box and take out the DEEBOT and accessories. Please read all safety instructions before using. Tidy up the area to be cleaned by putting furniture, such as chairs, in their proper place. Dock the empty station to the base. Connect the power cord to the empty station. Place the station against a wall on a hard floor, not carpet or rug, with at least 0.5 meters on each side and 1.5 meters in the front of the station. Plug in the power cord. Remove all protection films or protective strips on DEEBOT. Unpack the air freshener capsule and install it into the air freshener. Install the brushes on the underside of DEEBOT. Ensure that the color of the side brush matches the slot color. Press firmly. When you hear a click, it means the brush is firmly engaged. Take out Quick Start Guide. Use your phone to scan the Quick Start Guide QR code. Download the ECOVACS Home app. Install the app, register, then log into the main app screen. Place DEEBOT near the station. Remove the top cover of DEEBOT. Then on the App tab ad on the home screen, scan the QR code on DEEBOT, enter the Wi-Fi password, then tap to log in. Follow the app guidance prompts to turn on the power switch and wait for the sound. Select Next. Press the Reset button for about 1 second. After you hear the voice prompt,
"Ready for network setup."
Start the hotspot connection and wait for the network to connect.
Connected. Please go back to the app to continue the setup.
Once connection is complete, you can proceed to name your DEEBOT, select time zone, or change the language. Tap the auto mode button for 3 seconds and send DEEBOT back to the empty station. Press the start button on the app. DEEBOT starts quick mapping and air freshener spreads the aroma at the same time. After mapping is complete, DEEBOT returns to the station. Press the start button on the app, and DEEBOT will start cleaning. Open the water inlet, add water into the Osmo Pro 3.0 oscillating mopping system. Take off the air freshener and install Osmo Pro 3.0 oscillating mopping system. Then DEEBOT can start with the mopping mode. You can also use the app to set general actions in the drop-down menu, including cleaning times, suction power, and water flow level. After all the mopping work is completed, DEEBOT will return to the station to charge, and the station will start auto-emptying. You can set the interval times of auto-emptying, which can effectively solve for the household ground station with multiple carpets and long hair carpets. The app will remind you to replace the dust bag when the station detects the dust bag is full. Open the top cover of station, flip up the dust bag clip, remove the dust bag, and replace it with a new one. Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings.